Apple is finally stepping into the foldable phone world, and this time, it looks like the company may have solved one of the biggest problems in this category. The upcoming iPhone Ultra, also known as the iPhone Fold, is shaping up to be a major shift in how we think about smartphones. For years, foldable devices have struggled with one issue: the crease in the middle of the screen. It's something users notice every time they open the device, and it often breaks the experience. But according to recent leaks, Apple may have found a way to reduce or even eliminate this problem, making the display feel smoother and more seamless. That alone is a big deal. But the changes don't stop there. Apple is taking a completely different approach with this device. Instead of designing it as a phone that folds into a tablet, the company is thinking the other way around. The iPhone Ultra is built as a tablet first, and then it folds down into a phone. When you open it, you get a large screen that feels more like a tablet. This makes it perfect for watching videos, working on documents, or multitasking between apps. It's designed to give you more space and more freedom compared to a regular smartphone. But this design also brings some challenges. For example, the volume buttons are placed on the top edge of the device. This works well when the phone is open like a tablet. But it might feel a bit strange when you're using it in its folded form. One-handed use could become less comfortable compared to a traditional phone. Apple seems to be aware of this, and that's where software comes in. The company is expected to use smart software solutions to fix these usability issues. Things like gesture controls and a dynamic interface could help the phone adjust based on how you're holding it. So whether it's folded or unfolded, the experience should still feel smooth and easy. This is something Apple has always been good at, using software to improve hardware limitations. Another interesting change is the return of Touch ID. Instead of relying on Face ID, Apple is bringing back fingerprint unlocking, built right into the power button. This decision actually makes a lot of sense. In a foldable phone, the angle and position of the device can change all the time. Face ID might not always work perfectly in those situations. Touch ID, on the other hand, is simple, fast, and reliable, no matter how you're holding the phone. So this isn't just a throwback feature. It's a practical solution for a new type of device. Now, while the iPhone Ultra is all about innovation, Apple isn't forgetting its traditional users. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to stick with the familiar design that people already know and trust. This creates a clear choice. If you want something new and futuristic, the iPhone Ultra will be the option to look at. But if you prefer a classic smartphone experience, the iPhone 18 Pro will still be there. This dual strategy is actually very smart. It allows Apple to explore new ideas without forcing everyone to change at once. But entering the foldable market is not easy. Other companies have already been working on these devices for years, improving their designs and fixing issues step by step. Apple is coming in later, but that also means it has had more time to learn from others and avoid their mistakes. Instead of rushing, Apple seems to be focusing on doing it right. The goal here is not just to make a foldable phone, but to create something that feels truly useful in everyday life. A device that can replace both your phone and your tablet, without making you compromise too much. Of course, not everyone will be convinced right away. Some users might find the new design unfamiliar. Others may prefer the simplicity of a regular phone. And that's completely normal when a new type of technology is introduced. But one thing is clear: the iPhone Ultra is not just another product. It's a statement about where Apple sees the future of mobile devices. A future where one device can do more, adapt better, and fit different needs in a single form. If Apple really has solved the crease problem and delivered a smooth, reliable, foldable experience, this could be a turning point for the entire industry, and it might just change how we use our phones every day.